Hey everybody, welcome back to Plum Figgy. This is Tammy. Alright, so I did not intend to do another video in my Strong Quotes journal today. However, I was surprised when I went to my mailbox today because I got another Your Creative Studio shipment box. So I did open it. I did peel this up just enough. I mean, I looked at the thank you card and it's different, but I was like, did I get another January box? Like, what's going on? Because I literally just got one a week ago, maybe not even a week ago. So I did peek just barely. I opened it this much and then I realized, oh no, this is different. So this must be my February box, which is awesome. I'm excited. So I thought, well, let's go ahead and do what we did last time and open it up and see what we got. And then I'm going to create or do some decorating in my, in my Strong Quotes journal. Yay. Okay, so already I'm loving this so much more than the January box. So it looks like we've got vintage material paper. So looks like maybe wallpaper style papers. Maybe these are stickers. They feel like stickers. I think these are, yeah. Oh, what? Okay. So no, these are perforated. Do you see? I don't know if you can see the perforation. Here, let me. So there's perforation across this entire thing. I don't know if you can kind of see this, but it's in small little pieces. Well, that's different. Okay, well, alrighty. And even, yeah, even this section down here, it's all in little pieces. So, okay. And then this one is the same, but it's in like hexagon pieces. There's this one. Looks like these are just like kind of squares. So these will be good for adding to like decorating tags and stuff. Ooh, I like that. But to be honest with you, I think I would prefer to rip away and use this for, I don't know. Oh, this is kind of mentally challenging me right now. I'm not quite sure how to take it. Okay, so there's those. Ooh, these boxes are going to be fun for me. Okay, I'm super excited about this. It looks to me like a pencil case. It's super cute. Okay, so it's got a little dress form on the front and it says Paris. Enjoy the perfect trip is what it says. Oh, cute. It's got a little Paris flag on the end here. Uh-oh. Oh, there we go. Okay, it was just a little bit stuck. And then on the inside, really cute. It looks like a black and white stripe. So nice. Cool. I'll find something to put into. Oh, that's what got it. That's what was catching. We'll just take care of that. There we go. Okay, so got a little pencil case. Oh, yay. Okay, so these are vellum, or at least the top. Oh, goody. I'm telling you already, I love this box so much more than the last one. The movie one was really cool too, but okay. These are empty, but all vellum. And then these are also vellum, but kind of darker toned backgrounds, but all florals, it looks like, for the most part. They're slippery. So these are definitely going to be fun to use in collages and just in general. So they're not, oh, are they perforated? Let's see. it almost looks like there's a line, but it's like so faint. I think they might be perforated, but I'll have to experiment with that. Okay, so what's this? Oh, I don't know what this is, but I'm pretty sure I'm gonna love it. Okay, so, ooh. Okay, so these are washi stickers. Oh, goody. Okay. Oh, fun. So lots of botanicals. Movie camera. That one should have been in last time. So lots of botanicals, which is fun. Do I have to cut each of these out? Oh, I wonder. Nope, I don't. They're already cut. Oh, right. That's even better. Lots of mushrooms. These are fun. Okay, so I definitely know I'll be using a lot of this stuff. A lot more. Ooh, okay. So let's look at this one. This one's going to be another one like the one that we got last time, but it looks like this one's going to have a different theme. So botanical again, it looks like. And they're like supposed to be stamps. Sorry, they're very hard to flip through. But really cool. They're not stickers, they're actual paper, and they're a little bit thicker paper than the one and the other one that we got last month. Ooh, very pretty. So, oh, cool. Yeah, I'm pretty sure I'll go through these pretty quick. These are really pretty. All right, I love this. Okay, so let's see what we have here. Benzoic acid. Of course, there's nothing in English. So let's just open it up. Should just be putting this directly into my trash. Okay. Trash is full. Okay, so what do we got? Okay, so I think these are probably like label stickers would be my guess. Yep. Okay, very good. So these are okay, and I have them upside down. So these are like vintage style stickers. I've bought stuff like this before from AliExpress. I love this kind of stuff. They work in so many different things. And because they're stickers, they're so easy to work with too, because you don't have to add glue and stuff. So awesome. Though I do know for myself, if I don't take them out of this cute little box, I'll probably forget about them and never use them. So I gotta make sure and put them with all my other stuff. Ooh, I haven't had new washi in so long, you guys, because I have so much of it. I don't ever buy it anymore. So, okay, scissors to the rescue. Because I'm like, why would I buy more when I'm not even using these to begin with? Really, I probably should do an audit of what I have, and I do probably need to do a de-stash of some stuff, but there's a hassle in doing that too, you know, so I'm like, I'll get around to it eventually. Oh, these are like ticket. Cool, I haven't had this kind before. Okay, so I'm trying to find the end, I think maybe here. Or not. Maybe here. Okay. But these are going to be botanical and floral, it looks like, too, but in the shape of tickets, if I can get it done. Okay, so, oh, well, you kind of get the idea. I'll be a little bit more gentle with it next time. Cool, cool. All right, so batting 1,000 so far. Okay, so what we have here, oh goody. Okay, so some more labels, and then these are perforated also, so it looks like they're all the same. Yeah, so there's no cover to this, so then this can be taken off too if you want to. So each one of them is 2 different pieces. Really cute. All right. Oh, goody. Lace. Fun. Okay, I'll leave that in there for now. I'm dying to know what's in here because the little box is just adorable. It looks like more ticket stickers. Or tags? No, these are tags. Okay, so these are a little bit thicker cardstock. Let's just pull them out and look through. Cute. These are fun. I don't have anything like this. Really? And it looks like there's some blank ones. And did it repeat? Yeah, it looks like it repeated then. So, okay. Nice. I like that they have the little hole reinforcer design on there. So, okay. Some fun tags. Put this over there. Cling stamp. Oh boy, I wonder what kind of stamp this will be. Try and save this envelope if I can. Oh, fun. Okay, multiple stamps. let me try and get these out. I'm guessing flowers. Yep. Okay, so here's the big one, and then it looks like 3 little flower shapes. I like it. Very cute. I'm gonna put these in here. We'll just corral them in this little box. They're clingy. The static cling. Make sure that's it. Yep. Cool. Okay. And then she always includes a set of stickers that she designs. So looks like here's those. Really pretty. Very pretty. And then some more sticker paper. Very pretty. Oh, these are going to be easy to use. Sorry, I keep doing that. So, nope, that's not the same. Very similar. Or is it? Maybe 3 of each? Anyway, very pretty. They'll work well as like background paper sticker. All right, guys. Well, that was fun. That's a fun little box. Okay, so now how are we going to use this? I'm just gonna go ahead and stick it all back inside, and then pull out what we need. Okay. I'm gonna put this off to the side though, because we won't use that today to decorate with. I don't know that I'm gonna put lace and stuff in this Strong Quotes journal. Maybe I will. I'm not sure. But here's a closer look at. Oops. Here's a closer look at that. Really cute. Okay, so we've got a lot of botanicals and really just pretty papers. I'm wondering, I think I'm gonna go get a book of mine that has a bunch of images of Victorian ladies, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I have this book. It's called Harper's Bazaar. It's a remake of it. It's not the actual thing. It's not worth anything. So don't worry. But it's chock full of amazing pictures of Victorian women and their clothing. And yeah, it's kind of an amazing little book. I haven't used it nearly as much as I should, but I feel like we need to use a few of these ladies in my strong quotes journal somehow. And so there's that. And then I have these two that I found at the thrift store several years back. They are Time Life books. There's like, it's like an encyclopedia. I think they went through every decade. And so the two that I have are 1900 to 1910 and 1870 to 1900. So, there's going to be a lot of not so nice, it was a lot dirtier and not as clean, and obviously, as you can see here, so there's going to be a lot of this kind of stuff, but at the same time, there's some great shots of just women and that kind of thing too. So there's a lot of men too. So yeah. So we can kind of flip through here and maybe find some images to use. Nobody smiled back then, so anyway, okay, so what I'm kind of thinking is, maybe this one's not as good as the other one. The other one, when I quickly flipped through, there were a few pictures that I thought were amazing. I somehow need to use these covers. They're fabric, but they're such large books. I don't know how to go about it. But so I have, like, this is not from this book. It's from a different book, but I have this, and then there's, this awesomeness. So some more fashion. Really, really cool stuff here. So maybe those came from a different book. But gosh, when I flip through things like this, I'm like, why don't I use these things more? Just sitting in my storage and I'm not using them. So anyway, okay, so yeah, like I was trying to say before, I thought it would be kind of fun to maybe marry up some of the the very rich, some of the quotes with some of these different women. So I'm not going to have you suffer through me trying to find all this stuff. So I'll be starting and stopping throughout the video here. Yeah, so I just kind of want to show you where I was pulling this stuff from. Newcomers. So, okay, so first now I need to find some quotes. So I think I'll do that and find some images to go with them, and I'll be right back. Okay, everybody, so I went through and just tried to pick a few quotes that might kind of be funny, I guess, with some of the pictures in the books. I don't know. This one, I'm not sure if I want to do it or not, but the quote is, "Underestimate me. That'll be fun." This poor woman has had she's done. She's done playing. There's no more fun to be had with her today. So, I don't know. I'm cracking up about it, but I don't know. We'll see. I'll leave that one for last. This one says, I may be ugly, but my music taste is better than yours. And I thought it would be fun to put it with this lady who's playing the piano. So there's that. Here's this quote. It says, the most dangerous woman of all is the one who refuses to rely on your sword to save her because she carries her own. I'm sorry, I did a bad job of reading that. And part of the Time Life books, there was a sporting one. And so there was this, it was across 2 pages like this. But she's fending off a guy trying to hurt her with a walking stick or umbrella. I'm not sure what, but I thought those two would kind of go together pretty well. So there's that one. And then there's this one. It says, if my strength intimidates you, I hope you realize that's a weakness of yours. And I found this girl in the Harper's Bazaar book, and she just looks sorry for you because she's so awesome. So anyway, I don't know if we'll do all of these. That's quite a lot of Victorian women to use, but we'll see. Okay, so I do have a couple other quotes that I pulled out just in case, and so we may use some of these instead. Okay, so your Creative Studio box was very, very floral. Ooh, I should have gone and grabbed some ink. So yeah, this stuff. What am I gonna do with? I feel like I need to use at least one of these sheets today, in some way, shape, or form. I'm not sure how though. Okay, but so okay. I think what I'll do is just kind of. I'm gonna put the Underestimate Me girl off to the side. We might not do her. Oh, I don't have enough room. Okay, so we'll put her off to the side. I think I want to start with this musician one. So let me find a nice page in the book. So this image is awfully large. I feel like I need to find a page that is a white background page like this one, or this one. And I know that there's more than this in here. So I'm not sure if I really want that to be on the other side, but it could work. The thing I was thinking was I could put the flowery paper behind the quote. So, okay, this will be another one. Let's do this one. Okay, so I need to figure out where I want to cut. Okay, so by the magic of video, this page is now covered in the lady playing the piano. Okay, so I'm running into an issue now where this quote is a little bit too big for the picture. So I'm gonna rip with my ruler. And then I can keep this piece for some other time. Okay, so let me see how this might work. So I'm thinking I'm gonna have to transfer over to the other page. Yeah, I don't really want to cover her up. I feel like she needs something in the corner here, so maybe we can find something pretty to put over here. like so. Okay, so I pulled 2 of these outward. I wonder what happened to those. Well, I'll use one of these. Let's see, it goes this direction. I don't know that I like the black and white on top of the black and white. Okay, let's go in here and see what we can find. And you know, I don't have to stick to this stuff in this box from my creative studio today. I just thought, you know, it's nice to kind of use some of it, you know, since it's new and something fun and different for me. So, okay, there's a lot of black and white and neutral, so maybe not from here either. Alrighty. Remember what was in this. Oh, these were those washi stickers. Oh. Well, if I use pansies over here, boy, this page is just not wide enough. What am I gonna do? Okay, so I need my clips. There we go. That helps. Okay. I keep saying okay. Okay, so the first thing I need to figure out is how am I going to handle... I think I'm going to just have to... Well, you know what I could do is rip out each section of this. It will be the first time I've had to do that. Okay, so... let's just do this in 3 different lines, and then that'll help it be not so big. Oh, you know what? And then maybe I can fit it onto the first page, and I won't have to use the second page for it. I'm having one of those days where I'm overthinking everything, so there may be kind of a lot of edits in this video today. We'll see, because I don't like to make you guys sit through all of that every time. So, okay, so I'm gonna be a little bit ruthless here with the trimming. Alrighty, so let's see what this might look like now. Okay, so we can kind of fudge it a little bit, like so. Okay. I feel like this one's taller than the others. Maybe I can help that a little bit. I don't want it to get crooked though, so be careful here. Okay. Yep, I think this will work. Let me just pull it down further and see how that works. My goal here is to not cover up the keyboard so much, because you got to know that she's playing a piano. So if you cover that up, then okay, so the problem is, let me pull off a little bit from the left side here. This is kind of running into her head, and I'm trying to avoid that. Okay, so then if we have these three over on the left, maybe these three could be over on the right. Like that. And then we could put this over here. Smack dab in the middle, maybe. Okay, so I like this. I'm going to glue this down. We do need some color on here somewhere. Maybe I'll use one of those fabric stamps, washi. Okay, so the other thing I was thinking too while I was doing that is we could use some of this maybe, but this is more of like a background though, so I don't know. I feel like I'll come up with something good to use this for, but maybe not this. Nope, sweetie, you need to get down, okay? Go on, go. Alright, so we've got a couple of options now for colorful images. So there is this washi tape. I could do just one of these. Because this little spot here is just begging to have something put there, right? So what if we did this and this? And then we got a little pop of color. Okay, actually I think that's a really fun little page. So here's a closer look. That's fun. Okay. All right. So moving on to the next one. Okay. So the most dangerous woman of all with her fighting ways. So we'll need 2-page spread, I think, for this. I'm just putting everything kind of back into the box so I can wrangle it. Okay, so a 2-page spread. Kind of thinking a page, one of these grungy pages would be kind of fun with, you know, the color there. But I'm not sure that I have one that's going to be a 2-page spread. So they're all just regular paper. Okay, well, we have this one. At least this one has some color to it. So let's take a look and see what this might look like. Okay, well, I'm just gonna go ahead and commit and go from there. So yeah, I'll decorate around it, I guess. And we'll see how it ends up. And like I said in a video or so ago, if I don't decorate every page completely the first time, that's okay with me. I'm okay with coming back and hitting these pages again with more embellishments if that's the case that needs to happen. So probably could have done that a better way, huh? Well, you know. Let me try. Okay. I'm just gonna use some art glitter glue because sometimes I feel like this book page is a little bit of a strange paper material, and this other glue isn't really responding very well to it. Okay. Alrighty, so let's see. Okay, well, I think I had better luck with the first one. I might just take my scissors and split this one. It's not sitting quite right. Okay. You still get the idea. Okay, so now we have a quote that could go over here, and we have some paper and a floral pattern that could go over there. So I'm going to go ahead and just glue this one down now. This page is seriously cracking me up right now. Okay, and then we still have this that's just kind of sitting around Hasn't been used. We could maybe use it somewhere on here. I think it would be nice to do some kind of flower of some kind. So maybe that flower is going to be this one. So what shall we put it on? How about that? No. Okay. Let's see. So if that's our flower, I'm not going to put it on a background of flowers. So I'll save that for something else. Let's see here. Let's look through these. These aren't quite the right color tone. Yeah, they're really not the right color tone for this spread. Potentially this, but then that's not matching very well with that. Okay, so these are also not quite right. Well, I guess we could do something like this and just kind of do a little collage maybe. Let's see if I can find one in here that's not colorful. Okay, what's the trick to getting these out of here? All right. So I saw this one. Oh, these are perforated. I swore, I thought I was like, there's a perforated line somewhere there. Okay, so there's a lot of perforation that I'm not loving though, so, but this is kind of what I had in my mind. I'm not liking it though. Let me pull that out. Okay, so let me show you what one of these looks like torn away. Maybe. I don't know how I'm gonna do this without ripping it. Oops, like that. This is the weirdest little paper. I don't know what you're supposed to use this for. Maybe like a label, I suppose. But yeah, here's kind of what it looks like. I did a bad job of it, but so you could do something like this, but I really don't like how that looks. I have to be honest. Okay. So okay. So my original idea was to use this little tie thing in a way. So I still like that idea. Okay, so let's do that with this. Like so. This needs to be inked around, so let me do that really quick. Actually, this stamp could do with some of that as well. Try this again. So we got this over here. You know, we could just stick it like this and I think it would be fine. And then later on, if I come up with some washi tape, yeah, we'll just do that. Okay, I can stick it on there. Okay, I grabbed two very different ones, both from Tim Holtz. I forgot that this was red, so we won't use the sparkly glitter, but this was kind of what I had in mind. So just put a little piece up here, a little piece down here, and just like that. And I'd say this page is done. So here's how that looks. Yeah, I really like how this, it looks so real. So here's a closer look at the rest of the page. And if you want to read the little caption, press pause. And here's the other one. Okay guys, so moving on. The next one I have sitting here is this one. And it says, if my strength intimidates you, I hope you realize that's a weakness of yours. And I just think she's perfect to go with that one. Like, I kind of think maybe I'll just divide this image right in half. So, why don't I go ahead and do that right now while I'm thinking about it. You know, I swear my table is so much messier when I do these crafting sessions than any other kind. All right, and then we'll keep her for something else. She's obviously too tall to fit, so, but let's try and think of a page where she might work. I don't know why, but she's gonna cover up the whole thing, so let's not do that. Let's see. Okay, so the other side of this, or no. Like that. Nope. So I went ahead and inked around the edges of this. So I'm gonna go, I don't know where I want to glue it down necessarily, but because I don't know that I want to cover up all of that design. Ugh, so pretty. I hate to cover it all up. But I went ahead and cut this down to size, and then I think over here I want to do a string of the washi tickets off to the right side. So maybe this isn't the right page. Oh boy, you guys, I am so sorry. I'm just kind of all over the place with this one here. She is awesome, isn't she? Okay, there is this option too where I could do a page like this and I guess cover, where'd she go? Cover that. I do like that better. Or I could just rip this out and save that for another time. Okay, I'm gonna go with this page because I think it'll work better. Oh, I'm loving this spread already. It's just so cool. Okay, so like I said, I want to take this washi tape and hopefully I can rip it so that it doesn't completely... Oh. Okay. No, stop. This has probably been sitting for a while. Something's not quite right. I wanted to get a long strip so that it could go from the top to the bottom of the page. Okay. Put some glue down first. And let's see what we can do here. I want the tulips for sure. There. Very nice. Okay. Yeah, I thought I had 2 pages. There we go. Okay. Now, just cut this off. Those 2 can't be salvaged, but the others can be. Okay, so I'm just gonna press this down a little bit. Yeah, that's what I was thinking. That's really cute. Okay, so we've got ourselves a little 2-page spread there. And I have one more stamp, so where shall we put it? Maybe over here? And cut the top of this off. There we go. That didn't look quite right for some reason. Yeah. Now it'll bring both pages together just a little bit. And I like that it's neutral enough that it doesn't really take away from the quote. Okay guys, well, I feel like this one might need to be a 2-parter because I think I'm kind of done for tonight. I can tell when I'm getting quiet, then that's probably a sign that it's time for me to close up shop. So, alright guys, well, I hope you had fun. I know I did. And the next time I work in this journal, I want to do more flippy, tuck things, pockets, that kind of stuff. I haven't really done any of that yet. So, and we haven't done any like tabs or anything like that. So I want to do more of that kind of stuff. And I think I want to keep working with this Your Creative Studio box. I feel like I just kind of barely touched on it tonight, but there's a lot more I could be doing with it. So, alrighty, well, I will wish you all a very good Friday, and because if you're watching this later, today's Friday, so, and a really happy weekend. So I'll see you all very soon. Bye.